so bad right now. What do you have to say?
Hungry as fuck. Give me some food. Wait. Cut that. Edit that out.
I'm not cutting that out.
No, I'm being for real life.
We're gonna have problems with it.
No.
Hey guys, so it is currently 11:07 in the afternoon. In the morning. It is currently October 28th, so this weekend is gonna be Halloween weekend. I'm gonna vlog Halloween weekend, but I just thought I would do a little like vlog. I'm not really sure. Oh, that looks kind of creepy. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna tag it, like, I can't speak. But I'm gonna title this. I don't know if it's gonna be like a private story vlog or productive day in my life. I'm not really feeling the most productive, but I did have a lot of stuff I wanted to do today, so we'll see. Also, I know y'all see this on my lip. It's a favorite blister. She's in the process of healing. I need to go to Walgreens to get some more Abreva. But anyways, I'm gonna make some tuna fish right now. What do you want? I'll make you something, but I'm getting tuna fish. Sorry. That was a lot. Okay, I got my pan. Should I make one or two things of it? I think I'm just gonna make one. Or should I make two? What should I make? Huh? Ew, why does the refrigerator smell like spicy?
Bro, I wanted that Parmesan chicken, bro.
You already ate the Parmesan chicken, bitch.
Oh, what was in there?
It was just mustard. Alright, y'all.
It's crazy. Crazy.
I need to put a bra on. I'm so sorry, guys. So recently, let me explain. Let me give you guys a little update on where life has been taking me. Look at the closet. We need to get bar stools and a dresser. I'm gonna wear my Juicy one. She's way too big, but literally like everybody was going and getting these hoodies. Maybe she shrunk. She shrunk! Oh my god, you guys, this used to be huge on me. Now look at it. It fits. Like, actually fits. Why is it stuck in my head? My hoodie, look.
What kind of hoodie is it?
Juicy Couture.
I don't know what that is.
So lame.
I'm lame.
Because you don't know what Juicy Couture is? How do you not know what Juicy Couture is? Everybody knows what Juicy Couture is.
Sorry, kid.
I have water. I need to put my contacts in actually. And I really need to go to the store because I really need to get some Abreva. Oh, and then we have so much to do. I have all of this laundry in here that I need to do today.
Hey, I want to do a YouTube video for your channel.
I want to do a YouTube video where you do like a day in the life of you. Like you vlog for a day.
I want to play games on your YouTube.
What game?
I have to be in charge of everything. Like, you just gotta do everything.
Okay, let's do it.
When, right now?
Today.
Man, I don't got all the utensils I need for the camera.
We can go get it.
I don't want you to see though.
Go get it yourself. We can do it. Never mind. I was gonna say we could do it tomorrow, but you have work. I don't know, Keisha.
Why are you only like doing it in the daytime?
Cause the lighting, everything is just like better, and then we don't have to be quiet. Why is there white shit in my hair? Yeah. Y'all, I need to get a new camera. I'm actually thinking about getting the one that Brooke Mooney has. I asked her about it and she told me she's like the Sony something, I don't know. But it looks really good. I like the way like it looks and stuff. Also Brittany's, I don't know if they have the same camera or not, but Brittany's camera, I was watching one of her videos just like yesterday and her face just looks so smooth and so good, and that's exactly what I want. Honestly, I think I just need to say freak it and invest in a new camera and just send this one back, and then I could just have two vlog cameras, you know? Okay, anyways.
I'm bored.
I think this is gonna be a pretty long vlog because I just feel like vlogging today. Honestly, I don't know what it is, but wait, what the fuck? Oh my god, this was not going this whole time. Yeah, those things attached to those papers are paper clips.
No, I need like a traditional paper clip.
Okay, well anyways, I wanted to say something. Do you feel like this? Okay, so whenever I'm alone, I feel super productive. Like I get a lot of stuff done and I try to like fill my day up and I get a lot of stuff done. Then whenever you're here, I feel super lazy. Like I just don't want to do anything. I just want to lay on the couch like all day. So filming helps me to like stay productive. That's not a bad thing though. I think it's just because I feel like just like super comfortable around you or something. I don't know. But do you feel like that, or whenever?
I know it is. You expect me to do everything and you just want to sit down.
No, I don't know. But just like, yeah, whenever I'm alone, like I get super productive. And then when I'm with you, like I just get so comfortable. I just want to sit on the couch and watch TV, play on my phone. Like I just don't want to do anything. Okay, anyways, I'm waiting for my water to boil. I'm gonna look up cameras while I wait. Huh?
Gonna have no milk.
Yeah, we need to go to the grocery store.
Already? Bro.
Yeah, cause you freaking eat like and
no.
drink everything. We don't have anything. Okay, anyways, like I said, I'm gonna look up cameras. I might just buy cameras today.
Hey.
But I'm gonna wash my face. I'm using the SavWay Acne Control Cleanser. Okay, now I'm brushing my teeth. I use the Crest 3D White Glamorous White. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna get ready. I have my little makeup caddy right here. This is what I'm working with just as of right now. I don't have a vanity or anything, so this is what we gotta work with. Also, I looked at cameras. Brooke has the Sony ZV-1, so I looked at that one. It's like the one that has the handle that you like press go and stuff with. A lot of people have been actually getting that one recently. It used to be like the camera that I have now is like a training camera. I was just tighten this. We're going to get ready. I'm gonna watch the TV while we get ready. We're probably gonna watch The Purge. That's what we've been watching on Hulu. So good. If you guys haven't seen it, it's literally just like, it's just like a TV show version of The Purge. It's really good. But here's my little egg. Yeah, you're in it. They can see all of you.
Can you see me now?
Bitch. Okay, anyways, here we go. So I did pretty much my face, and now I'm gonna do my eyes and like my mascara and all of that off camera because my camera's about to die. So 12:04 now, and I'm gonna film whenever I get done. Just finished curling my hair. I just used this Hot Tools, I don't know, just like a really big one. It was one of the ones that had the clasp, but I took it off. But it's now 1:18. It actually took me so long to do the rest of my makeup because I tried to do like orange like Halloween eyeshadow, but I can't really do my lips or anything because I have a fear blister. So I'm just gonna have to try like, I don't know. But anyway, so this is kind of what the hair is looking like. I kind of wanted to do like big fluffy curls today, but I have two little Bucky's Halloween shirts that I can choose from, and then I have these little Halloween earrings that say boo on them that I'm gonna wear. This is the first one. It just looks like this, and it says let's boo this, so that would go cute with my boo earrings. And then this one looks like this and says booyah, so both will go, but I don't know which one I like better. This one's a small. I think I'm gonna go with this one. We're gonna try this one out. I'm gonna put it on, I'm gonna put together my outfit, and then I'm gonna come back on. We have to run by the post office because he has to drop something off, and then I need to go by Walgreens, get some Abreva, and honestly, I don't know. I thought the video was gonna be a lot more productive, but it's gonna be just fine. I'm really excited to film Halloween weekend though. I'm so excited for that. So you guys stay tuned because I'm gonna have a Halloween weekend vlog coming out, like a weekend in my life, Halloween weekend. So I'm so excited for that. But I'm gonna get dressed and I'll be right back. All right, So here is final look. I went for more like teachery style, so I curled my hair. I have the boot earrings, and then this necklace is from Shop Page Official. Bracelets Pandora, ring Pandora, shirt Bucky's. I literally, fun fact, that I only have my Halloween Bucky shirts now. I threw away all the other, well, got rid of all the other ones. And then these pants are from Forever 21, I believe. I do believe they're from Forever 21. Actually, Forever 21 has pretty, can't speak, has pretty good jeans. Oh, and then the shoes, I don't know where they're from, but they're just these like black platform sandals. Teacher vibes. Okay, I'm gonna give you guys like a little look this way. Cute. Okay, well, power's out right now, so we're gonna have to try to use some natural lighting. Okay, so I have my egg and I have tuna, and I just drained the juice out of it. So now you're gonna need a yellow mustard, mayonnaise, and relish. I like mine pretty mustardy. Okay, I'm gonna do a scoop of relish. Now we're gonna, why I literally like, do I need to recurl these front pieces or something? Because they're being on my nerves. They're just like not being a part of the curl.
This is trash now.
I think it needs more relish.
Oh, good.
Yep. That did it. Power outage. Oh my god, yeah. Huh? Yeah, you want me to? Alright guys, so sorry that this vlog has just been like a little bit all over the place. We've just been trying to get ready. My hair does not like, I actually think I might put like, maybe if I did some clips that might be cute. I don't know if I should eat a sandwich or if I should have a bagel with it. It just looks like this. Oh, fuck. Look what I did, y'all. Now this whole house is gonna smell like freaking fish. I went ahead and put my hair like this just because the like front pieces weren't staying curled. So Christian says I look way younger, but it fixed the little front pieces. So it's 2:04 now. The power's still out, but apparently like not just our apartment, it's like the whole area's apartment. We don't know when it's gonna be turned back on, but it's 2 already right now. So we're probably just gonna go ahead and leave. We gotta go run to the post office. Honestly, after that, we just have to go to my parents' house and we're pretty much done. I made a sandwich. Let's try it. Pretty good. Y'all, look at my hair. Okay, so it's currently 3:10. I got the Burt's Bees Rapid Rescue Cold Sore Treatment. I'm never...
Oh, what is that for?
Me!
Oh, wait.
So I can put it on my lid.
I thought good.
It's a bit minty. I know you're not really supposed to do it. Well, I never do it with my hand. Dummy.
What? Exactly what? Don't agree with me.
Dummy!
The only one I can about me is me.
Why did you bring the mouthwash?
Because it was on the lip and I needed some.
Anyways, I love my earrings. Look how cute they are. Do you like them?
They scare me.
I really honestly thought my...
Literally. They scare me, literally.
Anyways, I thought my hair was gonna fall completely because it's so windy outside, but really, I mean, it's still holding up pretty well. I did put a lot of hairspray in it though, so. This one is like minty, like I feel like I can feel it working. We're at Auntie Anne's, we're getting some stuff. I bought Bug some shoes. We came in here to like try on shoes for me for Christmas, but I ended up just getting Easton some shoes, and then we're gonna go to the house. Show them the shoes, babe, the camera's not. Hey guys, I want to show you guys the shoes real quick that I got my little nephew. It's 4:04 right now. We are on the way home. Look at how tiny and how freaking cute that is. They're so cute. Are we gonna talk?
Why aren't you saying nothing like that?
Cause like I don't want to just update them. Like we gotta like have a conversation here or something. You know, give them a good vlog 10. It's really windy outside. Oh my god, come on, finger. Look.
Oh my god, come on, fungal.
Okay, well, anyways, guys, this is a boring vlog because Christian won't talk. So
how is it all based off of me talking? This is your vlog, up and personal. SavWay extreme, up and personal. Ooh, let's look out how she drives. This is how she drives. She's close to the steering wheel, hand on the left, and she drinks and drives. Well, not drinks and drive, but like they're gonna take that totally wrong. Like
yes, they'll take it literal.
Drinking a drink, like, you know.
But we get over when we have 2 hands on the wheel whenever we get over.
Sheesh.
You know, Chris should be driving like this and just be like,
hey, you can't drive like that. You ain't leveled up enough. Yeah, you gotta level up some.
but you're not good with these angles. Like, what is this?
What you mean? That is
You're
beautiful.
getting my like, ooh, I'm beautiful.
So I gotta hold my arm like this.
Yes. Okay, so I had to edit out like a huge portion, so y'all didn't get to see like what we did or anything, but y'all are gonna get to see like after, whenever we headed home and all of that. So yeah. So right now it's 8:23 and
Hey, we stuck. We can't move.
okay, so accident happened and yeah, so stuck. We in traffic. He dropped all of his money in the car, but basically something happened and there's like an 18-wheeler and they literally just blocked off the complete highway, but we're at the front of it. I mean, y'all can kind of see it right there. There's the 18-wheeler. What are you doing?
Trying to, you don't understand how mad I am right now.
Find all your change?
Yes.
You found it all.
No, that's not enough.
No.
I had like $4 of change. Yeah, all my change back for you.
Y'all, he's so extra. You gotta make a face. Be like,
bro. Oh, he gave a clear, a thumbs up.
oh my god, the 18-wheeler is moving.
Where is it moving?
It's just going forward. Here, but you vlog.
All right,
Because
cool.
I gotta get in drive mode. Like, nothing even happened. What? They literally shut down the whole entire highway and literally not even the car or the 18-wheeler looked anything wrong with it.
Yeah.
We're gonna, oh, we got some stuff for our Halloween party. Yeah, no, this is not the angles that I want.
It is not focusing. I ain't gonna lie to you because you're going. Well, this thing feels like like it's giving me like illusional.
Okay, so the rest of this video is pretty boring, so I'm just gonna end it now. But I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and become part of the Sav Nation. Turn your post notifications on, and I'll see you guys in my next one. And y'all should comment. What emoji should they comment? Pick an emoji. What's your favorite emoji? Money?
Nah, this is my favorite emoji. The little hand like this. Yo.
Okay, y'all comment that emoji, and I'm gonna like everybody that comments that one. So bye guys.